Hey, it's Kate or WTI. I put my hair up all of the time, whether I'm throwing it up in a high bun when I'm working out, or if I'm just trying to get some hair off my face and I wear it halfway up a lot. But when I use traditional hair ties, I find that they're very tight and that they have a tendency to break my hair, especially when it's super tight. My hair gets stuck in it, and I was just finding that I had a lot of flyaways. So I knew that I needed to use something a little more gentle, which I know scrunchies are amazing for that. And I'm so happy that I found this particular set of scrunchies by Whaline. It is a 12 pack and they are velvety. I think they come in the cutest colors. I usually have just the perfect color to match my outfit. Some are very neutral, some are a little more fun. I love that they are that super soft velvet material, so it feels amazing and glides right out of my hair. I even think that they look pretty cute around my wrist when I'm not using it. But I love how easy it is to just throw my hair up with one of these scrunchies. And I really do notice a difference in my hair health when I use these and not a super tight elastic that's maybe pulling my hair. I have very, very thick hair. And so I was wonderfully surprised to find that these scrunchies do a great job of holding it up, whether it's a bun or a ponytail. I highly recommend checking out this set of Whaline Velvet hair scrunchies. I love them. I think you will too, but that's just my point of view.